こんにちは. In this video, we'll learn how to count people in Japanese, how to use the people counter in a sentence, and how to ask how many people there are. Let's start with how to count people in Japanese. To count people in Japanese, we put nin after the number. Before counting from 1 to 10, please note that one person and two people are exceptions, and they take their own special form. Please be careful with the pronunciation when you read 4 people, and also note that there are 2 ways to say 7 people. Now let's count from 1 to 10. One person is 1人, 2 people is 2人, 3 people is 3人, 4 people is 4人, 5 people is 5人, 6 people is 6人, 7 people is 7人 or 7人, 8 people is 8人, 9 people is 9人, 10 people is 10人. Now here's a quick memory tip for 1人. Person is 人 and one person is 1人. Next, let's learn how to use the people counter in a sentence. You're already familiar with this pattern. There is person in place. Place に person がいます. So this time, let's add a bit more detail and specify how many there are. The first example is, there is one person in this room. So that will be, この部屋に人が一人います。この部屋に人が一人います。Let's try another example. There are 2 Japanese people in my class. クラスに日本人が2人います。クラスに日本人が2人います。How about, there are 5 college students in my house. うちに大学生が5人います。うちに大学生が5人います。Next, let's learn how to say how many people. It's 何人. So what do you say if you want to ask how many Japanese instructors are there at the college? 大学に日本語の先生が何人いますか？大学に日本語の先生が何人いますか？ Today we learned how to count people in Japanese. Thank you for watching. ありがとうございます。